this oil pump. This is the oil pump that pump the oil from bottom plate. So like this now, this oil pump, like this as you can see, is failed. That's why the engine knob. Have you seen? All this one now is the place that is always pump the oil, as you can see. That's it now. Then this is where the oil is from. Yeah, the oil, any kind rust, lock oil, the thing will pass through here before the oil will go up. So like this now, as the oil pump fell, look at the damage it caused. This one is the bottom plate. Look at all this. The one that cracked this place. Listen it. Oh, you see now. That's one thing. But before this thing happened like this, you show the oil sign. Maybe the owner did not notice. That's why it's starting like this.